What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie, Happiness in Retirement, coming at you from my kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to ferment the stalks from garden greens, these stalks. And I also cut some Brussels sprouts leaves. I'm going to take the stalks out of those because they tend to be a little tough if you put them in like stir fries and stuff. But of course I'm saving all the greens for stir fries and salads and stuff and whatnot. So first thing we're going to do is cut all the stalks out like so with a knife. Just take the stalks out. And I'm going to spare you the rest. See, just cut the stalks out like that. And I'm going to spare you the rest of the stalk cutting. So what I've done is I've cut all the stalks out of the leafy greens and washed them. And now we're going to put them in a 3% brine solution. So in this large container is 8 cups of water. And so for 8 cups of water, you want 57 grams of salt. So we're going to measure it off using our scale and this little baby right here. Turn it on, make sure it's on grams, zero it out, and then measure 57 grams. $43, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $52, $53, oh, $54, $55, $56, 57 grams of salt. So now you just take the water, put the salt in it, put it on the stove, simmer it a little bit, make sure the salt gets all in that water, and I'll be right back with you. So I took all the clean stalks and I basically put them in the jar. I shoved them in there and got them in there as tight as I could. Now I'm going to just pour the 3% saline solution into the jar, and it should fill it up because we already measured it, right? I'm just grabbing the saline solution out of the stove top. Pour it in there until you get up, until you fill the jar up. And we're almost full. Probably got one more shot of water from the stove top, and we should be done. Let's see. We're going to fill it up all the way till it covers the stalks. And there we go. Boom. Covers the stalks. The saline solution. And then we just put a lid on it, whatever kind of lid you've got. I've got this canning lid that's convenient. You can reuse. Put that baby on there, put it on the counter, let it sit for 3 or 4 days, and you should start to see some bubbling, which means it's fermenting. And these turn out really crunchy and yummy little snacks. So this is a really good solution to using every bit of your greens and using the stalks. If you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out. Thank you.